What is the Mediterranean diet? It's one of the most researched eating styles for health. In this video, we'll break down what it is, its benefits, risks, and how to follow it. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, while limiting red meat and added sugar. It's more of a lifestyle than a strict diet. Studies link the Mediterranean diet to heart health, lower LDL cholesterol, and reduced heart disease risk, lower risk of type 2 diabetes, increased longevity, better brain function, and lower dementia risk. It's generally safe, but be aware. High-calorie foods like nuts and olive oil can lead to weight gain if overeaten. Fresh food prep can be time-intensive. Seasonal produce may be less available in some climates. Practical tips to start. Fill your plate with plant foods. Choose whole grains. Eat fish 2 to 3 times weekly. Use olive oil instead of butter. Moderate wine with meals. Enjoy yogurt and cheese in moderation. Limit red meat. Following a structured nutrition plan can sometimes require more detailed guidance. If you're interested in exploring meal structure examples, comparing different diet approaches, or reviewing additional resources, you'll find more information in the video description below. Take a look there to explore options that may fit your personal health goals. The Mediterranean diet is a balanced, science-backed way of eating that supports heart, brain, and overall health. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe.